This is such a cool hack that I wish I knew earlier. Let's create 50 place cards in 2 minutes. First, I looked up place cards in the templates. I like this template, so I'll select it and start editing to personalize it for my event. Whoop. Change the sizing, that looks better. I'll leave the table number in there, and I now need to draw some information in a second from my actual guest list. So the people who are invited to my event are coming. You want to save it as a CSV file. This is the most important part, an Excel spreadsheet in a CSV file. Then you'll go to apps, and there's something called bulk create. So this is going to allow us to upload the data from the CSV file, which are all your guests, into this place card template. So we're going to connect the data. So Avery Thompson, whilst that's just a template name, I want to connect that data to the names in my list, and the table number I want to connect to the table numbers in my list. So as you can see, it's pre-populated it. Generate designs. And just like that, 50 name tags done. You do want to go through and quickly check them. Make sure they all look good. Great. Robert, perfect. All good. Oh, that one you want to fix quickly. Downgrade the size and skim through. And as you can see, it's pretty easy. Click share, download, get them ready for printing. You can select some other options if you like, but there are your 50 place cards ready to go off to your professional printers, or even just to your local Officeworks or easy quick print place.